When it comes to the 33-year-old foreign national who was found with military-grade explosives, bazooka and all of that, there are so many unanswered questions. But what we know for certain is that this guy was going to use these explosives for either cash and transit heist or the ATM bombings. So the unanswered questions are: where did he get these military grade weapons? Did he import them from another country? And if so, how did he pass the border? Another thing is that if these explosives, he got them inside the country, where would he get the intel to know where the next cash and transit heist will be, so that he can target it, or where or how he can bomb the ATMs? Because if he were to do that, he would need locals, South African citizens. And that is the main question, right? Do we really blame or fully blame illegal immigrants that come into the country and do whatever they want? Or do we blame the South Africans that assist them to do whatever they want? Because there is no way I can believe an illegal immigrant can come into South Africa not knowing anyone, without any connections, and comes here and just do random crimes. It's usually a connection somehow, unless maybe it's petty crimes like inkunzi, mugging, those ones. I think a foreign national can just come into the country and just do it randomly. But when it comes to such high-level crimes like cash and transit heist, trust me, South Africans are involved. And that's the thing, right? Most people are only angry when an illegal immigrant is doing the crime, and when it's a local doing the crime is different. And how does that even make sense? Because crime is crime at the end of the day. Because Aboket Matlala, trust me, if they were doing all of these crimes, they had illegal immigrants, foreigners involved somewhere there. So who do we really blame at the end of the day? Do we blame South Africans, or do we blame illegal immigrants that are coming into South Africa doing illegal things with South Africans? It's really confusing, right? So from my point of view, this is how I look at it. Crime is crime. If we look at crime specifically, you'll find all kinds of people. You'll find women, you'll find short people, you'll find tall people, illegal immigrants, local, South Africans, yellow bones, dark dindies, everything. Like, you'll find all sorts of criminals. So we should just focus on crime, because if we focus on crimes that is done by illegal immigrants, what about local crime? We'll just let locals do whatever they want. No, man, crime is crime at the end of the day. So we should just look at it from that point of view. You shouldn't, like, if it's an illegal immigrant, maybe they should get like a higher sentence. If it's a South African, it's a higher sentence.